believe that such a dedicated platform will provide more effective support to all the budding social entrepreneurs, not just in Singapore, but also in the region. As the saying goes, it takes a whole village to nurture a young child, so it takes a whole ecosystem to support a social entrepreneur.
The DBS NUS Social Venture Challenge Asia is an Asia-wide competition for social enterprises. Launched by DBS and NUS Enterprise, the competition aims to identify and to support emerging social ventures that have the potential to generate scalable and sustainable social impact. The inaugural challenge kicked off with Social Venture Week 2013, which was a week-long public program to inspire, connect, and engage diverse audience with interests in social entrepreneurship. Prior to the submission deadline, workshops were conducted for interested participants to generate new ideas, as well as check-in sessions with mentors for teams to refine their ideas.
As a global impact investor, we're always looking for, to invest in companies that have great sort of social and environmental outcomes. So coming to competitions like this gives us the ability to see a range of opportunities. And particularly for this competition, it was nice to see so many of them that came from different sectors, different maturities, and geographically as well from different countries. So that was great.
Being part of my family foundation, looking at running social businesses, I know that this is actually not easy. I believe if they keep up with the passion and the commitment, they will succeed and they will make a difference in the community that they are in.